Hey guys, so no change from yesterday. I'm still massively short the yen, including puts on the yen and outright shorts on the yen against the dollar. I think it goes down quite dramatically in the coming days and weeks. I am thinking and hoping next week is a pretty bad day for the yen. I think Tuesday through Friday, every day, Tuesday through Friday, we have economic news coming up, various different kinds. I don't particularly remember all the details, but all should, in my opinion, look good for the dollar. I think the dollar should rise dramatically, and the yen, of all other currencies, should get hit pretty dramatically. I think the precious metals markets, I don't have a strong view on them, but I'm starting to think we may have seen the top in gold and silver. I'm not entirely sure. They could go sideways, or they could start to fall from here. Gold is quite high right now and has been high for a while, and I think it drops quite dramatically. The miners are not performing well. Silver is not performing well. As I told you guys, I think 2 days ago or the day before yesterday or something like that, I got out of my call option on silver. I changed my view. I don't think it's going to make it to 35, unfortunately, and I think it might just crash from here, unfortunately. But I could be wrong. I don't have a strong view on the precious metals. I'm not really getting a strong signal either way. It looks like the market might be undecided. However, what I do know is in the COMEX vaults, there are record amount of gold being held right now. Now, keeping gold in the COMEX is not for free. So every month you keep gold in vaults, you have to pay for it. So, I mean, if you have millions of ounces of gold in vaults, how much are you paying? I mean, at some point, I mean, this is me. I'm not as wealthy as to have millions of dollars in gold in the COMEX vault, but at some point you just gotta be like, well, I need to get out of gold and go into interest-paying assets. So I think gold goes down and 30-year bonds start to go up. I think all that money that flowed into gold, a lot of it starts to come out and go into bonds, which is actually a great trading opportunity. As gold starts to fall, there's going to be great opportunities to go massively long and ride some of those spikes. I think we have seen before. Anyway, let's see how things play out. Yeah, everything looks good. All right, take care. Bye.